Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to make Instagram accounts private on app step by step. First, go to Instagram app on your phone. Here you are seeing the home screen. Tap on the profile icon in the lower right corner. Tap on Edit Profile button. Tap on Username. Then you can change your username by typing in the blank. After that, tap on the icon in the upper right. Thus, the process of changing your username on Instagram app has been completed. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.